Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best 12-inch miter saw blade you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many 12-inch miter saw blade and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each 12-inch miter saw blade so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a 12-inch miter saw blade. The first thing to check is the blade material, as carbide-tipped blades last longer and give cleaner cuts. Next, pay attention to the tooth count. More teeth means smoother finishes, while fewer teeth cut faster but rougher. Also, look at the blade's curve thickness. A thinner curve reduces material waste and requires less power. Ensure the blade's arbor size matches your saw for a secure fit. You should also consider the type of cuts you plan to make: cross cut, rip, or fine finish, since each requires a specific blade design. Finally, check for anti-vibration and noise reduction features for smoother operation and better control. These factors together help you get the best performance and value from your miter saw. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tool tips.